Okay, quick building test for the haters. This is how I do it, okay? Now faster, here. Okay. What the heck? Look at my frames, they're literally lagging like crazy. 20, 30, 40. I can't, guys, it's been way worse. I can go on like 4 frames sometimes. Second one. They said 90s are hard, but I don't really think so. Here, I'm just gonna do some quick 90 test, which I think JP and Jerry never showed me, because Jerry made a challenge me, try me Oscar video, which is totally trash. He's like smashing his keyboards, like literally. Okay, okay. I can't focus like this. Okay, ready guys? Okay, that's a slow 90, but usually how I do it is like this, and then this, okay? Triple layer. I always fail on triple layers because my frames are too low. Alright guys, I think I'm back. So, as you can see, I did that. 90s. I'll do it again if you want, but I think I have it in the video. Triple layer is kind of broken. I don't know why. My frames just pop off like I do it. Like, see? See, like, this is the problem with triple layer. I can do double triple layer, and I think it's easier than triple layer because, you know, I always lag on triple layer. It's just ridiculous. Like, my wall never plays sometimes, or it just plays in front of me. See, this is the problem. Why I don't like doing triple layer. My favorite kind of push is either this one, double ramp, or just anything with double ramps, you know. But here's the thing about the wall. It's just so bad, bro. Like, Fortnite's gotta fix this. Like, lagging, like, bad laptops, you have to fix this, Epic. You better do. Like, these bad laptop doesn't even have a chance to play, you know? See? Like, when I... Oh my goodness. Okay, watch this. See? It just lags. Look, I'm clicking. Okay, I did. Okay. See? See? This is why I don't like doing those, like, thing about the walls. It's just, they have to fix this. Like, they have to make it like that. If you go a little bit close, it doesn't, like, you know, work or whatever thing. Okay, this is why I don't want to use Screencast-O-Matic anymore. It just always moves my friggin' webcam. Okay? Now I am and I'll also preview that I'm not using my old account, Tier12313GS YouTube. I'm using not Tier123, and that's my main account. Here, I'll leave this match, and I'll show you what's on my real account. Like, literally, they think I had no skins, and I'm a friggin' cheap person, but no. I'll show you my real locker, guys. I'll show you my real locker. Like, real. I played since season 3? Or season... I forgot, but it's pretty old. I'm so sad I didn't get the season 2 battle pass. Right now, the Black Knight's one of the rare skins. But I do have the Reaper and stuff. Ooh, JP's playing. I'm joining it. quickly move the skin. Alright, guys. Here's my locker. Which you guys said I suck or whatever thing. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at all of these skins. All of these skins. All of these skins. I got pretty much, you won't add me. Okay, whatever. I'll turn on voice chat. Maybe I'll get in the game soon. Voice chat's on. Wait, what? Mac? My mic is fine, kids. Hello? 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 Okay, guys. Seems like, all my friends are basically full. Waiting for JP because he's gonna be amazed. Yeah, I'm gonna get John Wick. Okay, this is the Red Knight. Let's see, is he gonna be amazed? Because JP just got took in the L. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video. It's basically like for those haters. Such like Jerry and JP. Okay? Because they just say, oh, I'm so good and this and that, I'm a bot. So he basically started a war. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.